Hello, what's up guys? I hope you're all good. Today in this video we're going to be learning how to draw anime. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you know when your next lesson is ready. Drawing anime is not hard, but if you follow the steps that I've prepared for you, you can easily impress someone even if you're just a beginner. So let's start. Step 1. The very first thing you have to do when you're drawing faces is to draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, you can just draw freehand. Or if you want, you can use a compass. Step 2. Draw a line right through the middle of the circle you just made. Step 3. A little below the circle, draw another line making a plus sign with the previous one. Make sure that the line is a little shorter than the ends of the circle and that it is equal on both sides. Draw two straight lines from the ends of the circle that join with the previous line like this, and then draw two other lines for the chin. Try to keep these two triangles equal. Step 5. You're just going to smooth the edges of her face a little so that it looks fine. There. Now it's time to draw the eyes. For drawing the eyes, you're going to draw two straight lines. This is the space in which we are going to make the eyes. Now before drawing the eyes, you might want to rub out the grid lines a little bit. So I'm just going to do that. Better. For drawing the eyelid, draw a curved line like this. Trying to smooth out a little bit. And then draw another curved line beneath it. And it's completely fine if it's not symmetrical on both sides. Nobody's perfect, you can just try to make it similar. Now we'll make an oval shape for the iris. And then draw another smaller oval inside the bigger one. Now that we're done with the eyes, it's time to make the ears. That will be in the space between the eyes and the nose. You don't have to worry too much about the ears because it's not really important to draw it in a perfect way. Now it's time to make the hair. First draw the point where the hair will be parted. And then from this point you will draw the hair. We're gonna be giving her a nice bang. Here's a tip for drawing bangs. You're not gonna go ziggy-zaggy in just one go. Okay, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look right. Lift up your pencil after every stroke. Now we'll be drawing the rest of the hair. There are a lot of hairstyles which I will be telling you about in my next videos, but for now, let's just make her a nice bob cut. Do the ends of the hair just like the bangs. Again, don't focus too much on the hair being symmetrical on both sides. In fact, it looks better this way. It looks more natural. Let's darken the face lines a little bit. Now drawing an anime nose is not so hard, it's basically just straight lines. For the mouth we're gonna draw two curves and leave a little bit of space in between. Now it's time to make the eyelashes. so we'll be thickening out the eyelids even more. We'll be making the shape of the eyelashes and the eyebrows. Now we're darkening all the outlines and filling it up. These spaces that I'm leaving, they're for the highlights later, or what you call the shine in the eyes. Now we'll be shading the rest of the eyes. I try to make the shading simple. For more detailed shading, I will upload a next video. You won't be needing any shading pencils for this time, just a normal HB scale is fine. Shading is simple. You just press hard when you want a darker shade, and you press it softly when you want a lighter shade. Now we'll be darkening out the hairlines. The reason we draw light in the beginning and then darken it out at the end is that if you make mistakes or something, you can easily rub it out. Darken the face outlines. Darken the outlines of the nose. Many people do this mistake. First they draw all hard and then it's difficult to erase the mistake you've made, and that ends up making your work untidy. If you want, you can add a darker shade to the eyes. It's not important, you can just do it if you want to. I like the eyes darker, so that's why I'm doing it. So finally our anime person is made. This is a very simple, very easy way of making it. So today we learned how to draw anime with very simple steps. I think it looks pretty good. If you're not sure with something, you can just go back and see it again. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.